So here's the thing, guys. I recently just watched the Ed Gein story, one of the monster series on Netflix. I think the first one was the Jeffrey Dahmer story, and then the second one was the Menendez brothers who killed their parents with the shotguns. Look, people do not understand how uh, fiction becomes entertainment because the story is based on a true story, but obviously it's a work of fiction, meaning that obviously you're gonna find OT most of the things are being dramatized for, like for entertainment. It not necessarily ukuthi hayi le show lena inamanga kanjani 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 kanjani. Look, Buffett, imnandi. Imnandi, I don't wanna lie. The guy who acts on the show is actually quite good, and it gets you to understand the impacts that the guy had in terms of all these other movies and TV shows that we've seen in the past, I don't know, 40, 50 years. You understand? Into efana njengaboma Psycho, who's this, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, like all of these characters as well as serial killers, particularly in America. Abelungu, abelungu bafethu. Kanti abantu banjani bafethu? Kanti ukubulala. But abana bethi ngithandile. Hayi mnandi. It was 8 episodes. Oh, sharp. The first 5 episodes, yeah, I think the first 4 or 5 episodes, they're completely dark. This is just this guy being gruesome, Jeff. Like he's sleeping with the corpses. Uyabadla abantu mfethu. Wenza mfethu into ezimnyama zodwa. This guy mfethu, like ngiyaqala mina into enje. Elomlisa. Yo. But in all, I actually would like to recommend anyone to watch this show. Buffett, Ion. This one, this is the one.